Welcome back, Doodlers. Today we'll draw a flower face girl with our Ohuhu markers. We will be using 120 black, BG042 cool gray 0 for 2, MG170 blue gray 170, B281 pale blue violet, B463 Prussian blue and B290 sky blue. To start our drawing, we'll lightly draw a squarish shape on approximately where our girl will be drawn later. Then draw guidelines for the girl. We'll make her face to that side and have short hair.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
A circle to represent the flower she is holding that is covering her face. Then her clothes and skirt. Next we'll draw some circles by the sides of the square we've drawn. These will be flowers late. Then lightly erase the pencil lines. With a black pen, we'll draw the marigolds and chrysanthemum flowers. The marigold flowers are drawn with the innermost petals first almost vertical. Then as you go outwards, the petals become larger and almost horizontal. For the chrysanthemum, we'll draw the outermost petals first. Because these overlap with the more compact petals we'll draw later on in the center. For the buds, draw a smaller and more compact flower. No petals that bloom away from the center.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at Doodles_flowers.
You can turn your paper to the side to be more comfortable drawing. Now we'll draw the chrysanthemum flower the girl is holding. That is also blocking her face. Same as before, draw the outermost petals first, then another layer of petals but closer to center. Then the compacted center. Next is drawing the girl's hair, as we drew earlier in pencil. She will have short hair, then draw the neck, then the upper part of their clothes. It's a bit tricky to draw the hand here, so it's okay to adjust your guidelines. With the black pen, draw in the arm, hand and the flower stem. Then the rest of the girl's clothes. Using MG170 Blue-Gray 170, we'll draw the leaves of the surrounding flowers before we color in the square. So, the leaves of the marigold are like these lines here. And for the chrysanthemum leaf, draw closely chained diamond shapes.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment section below.
Then let's color in the background square with a silver pen. For the marigold, we'll use B281 Pale Violet for the inner part of the top side of the petals. BG042 Cool Gray 0 for 2 for the back side of the marigold petals. With B463 Prussian blue, we'll stipple the inner sides and centers of the chrysanthemums. Next is to stipple B290 Sky Blue around, where we put the Prussian blue earlier in the chrysanthemums. With the 120 black, let's color in the girl's hair, and MG170 blue-gray 170 for her dress. So, there you have it, our marigold and chrysanthemum girl. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.